Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious pumpkin spice horchata. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're going to begin by soaking our rice. Here I have 1 cup of white rice. I already rinsed it, so now I'm just going to transfer it to a large bowl. To that I'm going to add half a cup of almonds, a pinch of salt, 1 large cinnamon stick. We're going to break it. Along with that, we're going to add 1 allspice berry and 2 whole cloves. Now we're going to cover it with 6 cups of boiling hot water. Just going to mix it, cover it, and allow it to soak for at least 4 hours. Okay, so here I already have my rice that I left soaking last night. So once we have it ready, we can move on to making our pumpkin piloncillo syrup. To our pot, we're going to add 3 cups of water, 2 piloncillos, 1 cinnamon stick, going to break it, 1 allspice berry, and 2 whole cloves. We're going to set it at medium-high heat and allow the piloncillos to dissolve. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our piloncillos should have dissolved. So here we're going to add 1 cup of pure pumpkin. So we're just going to mix it, so just kind of dissolve it. Okay, and once our pumpkin has dissolved, we're going to turn it off. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice extract, 2.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, and once we have that, just mix it all together and we're going to allow it to come to room temperature. Once our pumpkin piloncillo syrup has cooled down, now we can get ready for the fun part, blending and putting it all together. Okay, so we're going to begin by blending our rice mixture. So add it all to your blender cup. And now we're just going to blend for at least 3 minutes. Okay, and after blending for at least 3 minutes, now we can get ready to strain it. So we're going to strain it to our pitcher. Make sure that you use a piece of cheesecloth. Just transfer it to your pitcher. You want your horchata to be as smooth as possible and not grainy at all. Okay, and once we have strained our rice water, now we can get ready to blend our piloncillo. Okay, to our blender, we're going to add our piloncillo syrup, along with the cinnamon, just everything. And to that, we're going to add 1 can of evaporated milk, and we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and once we have that, we're going to strain it to our pitcher. Let me tell you that it smells delicious. It's like fall, but the weather doesn't feel like it. So and you can add the whole mixture just like that without straining it, but it's just going to make it a little thicker and not so smooth. But if you don't mind it, you can just go ahead and do that. Okay, and once we added all of our syrup, we can mix it. And lastly, I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of pumpkin spice syrup. But of course, if you want to add more, you can go ahead and do that. So now just mix it. Taste it and see if it's too sweet for you. You can dilute it with a little bit more water. But let me tell you that for me, this is perfect. And just like that, we have our delicious pumpkin spice horchata. We can get ready to serve and enjoy. Ready? And once we're ready to serve, fill up your cup with ice and pour. I'm just going to garnish with the cinnamon stick. Get my straw. And cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious. It's the perfect drink to get us ready for fall. Of course, you know, here in Arizona it's still hot, so this right here, it's honestly so delicious and just perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Just so delicious, refreshing. Pumpkin and just the piloncillo is just the perfect combination. This is honestly going to be the best horchata you can ever have. So good. And for me, it's perfect. You know, it's not too sweet, but of course, if it's too sweet for you, you can do two things. You can add more water, or you can strain the piloncillo syrup and then slowly add it to your horchata mix, to your rice mixture. And just like that, you know, you get to balance it to your liking. But this right here, it's honestly the best. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious pumpkin spice horchata. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.